Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sharon and I'm addicted to coffee. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I am a Nepali student from Nepal studying in JNU. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about how to apply in JNU as a Nepali student. So I've given some steps because even while I was applying in JNU, I didn't know anything. So I figured it out on myself and everything is mentioned in the website actually, so that's how I did it. So if you guys want some steps, I have included some and summarized it basically. So in case तपाईहरुले बुझ्नु भएन भने मलाई इमेल गर्दा हुन्छ or मलाई इन्स्टामा DM गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. And I'm sorry if I don't reply back because I don't reply. And yeah, so let's go to the step. So in the JNU website, there is an admission block where you get all the notices, and all the notices are always updated out there. So for this case, I've given example of the PhD admission through in absentia category for 24 to 25, which has already been completed. So there is also admission policy in the notice for 24 to 25 where you get all the updated news. For my case, I applied through the in absentia category. So only foreign nationals can apply through in absentia category, I guess. So it must be only foreign nationals. But yeah, I had to pay around $38 or 39, I think, in my time. Right now it's $42. So you have to pay this fee to the bank. They will give the bank account number and everything will be mentioned out there. So after paying to the bank, then you have to attach the draft of the fee and the application form and mail it to the section officer of JNU for foreign students. So right now the fee is quite less compared to before as well, because my friends have worked really hard to decrease the fee for SAARC countries at least. Right now it's $600 for humanities courses and social science courses. So this is an example of the admission notice for PhD program 24 to 25. So you will get somewhat similar notice to this for MA and for PhD 25 to 26 or 26 to 27, anything. So there is a mail mentioned and you have to mail to the section officer, as I said before. So everything has clearly been mentioned in this form. So I just hope you do the best and you mail, and if you get selected, they will mail you back. Hi guys. Welcome. So, what were you talking about?
I was talking about my cleavage.
Yeah. So now we are going to Safdarjung because we're craving for momo, and there's a really good place out there. It is going to go to the vlog. Yeah, it is going to go to the vlog.
Make a new
No way, bro. That's the content.
Let me show my cleavage.
Exactly. So yeah, we are going to Safdarjung right now. Let's see you guys there. You want chicken thali?
Yeah,
Chicken thali.
chicken curry. 300. मैं उसके पास सिंगल स्टैंड भी है.
चिकन थाली एक. नहीं, मुझे भी खाना है यार थाली तो.
ये मंगवाना है शायद, राइस प्लस चिकन बोल.
पर वो तो करी बोल है ना.
तो फिर ये मंगवा लो फिर तुम. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न चिकन थाली मंगवा लो. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न चिकन थाली मंगवा लो.
अच्छा, तुम सिर्फ नॉर्मल चिकन थाली खा रहे हो?
भैया
तो मैं नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न वाला खाती हूँ देन.
नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न चिकन थाली
हाँ
मंगवा, मिक्स करके खा सकते हैं.
हाँ देन वो शेयर करेंगे ना, हम थाली है ना.
तुम लोग क्या पूरा कहीं मोमो ही मंगवा रहे हो और कुछ नहीं?
मैं पूरा एक प्लेट मोमो खाऊंगी और कोक. That person in the group always.
जस्ट
आलुदम कति धेरै आलुदम.
Oceanic studies wala.
Oh my god, who's this cool guy? Hi.
वो painting है.
Who are you?
And then painting वो ले लेता है.
I'm actually from Nepal.
Oh, okay.
He buys it.
Karthik Negi from Nepal. Oh, Karthik Negi Bhattarai. Okay, wow. You identify as Bhattarai now? Okay. Oh, wow. You guys look so cool. Damn. Oh, क्या है वो?
नो ये जाएगा ब्लॉग ये ब्लॉग में और मेरा चश्मा
Oh no, is that? He's lying. Okay, is that not your chasma?
Do you have the receipt?
Flabbergasted.
Death, and whole range of emotions that are attached to these two broad so-called outcomes, which many see as ever present in international politics, right? Now, one way in which some scholars have started doing that, and as I say, this is
Sukujan. Look at this. This is called lacha, also known as dori, lacha dori. And this is cholo, and this one is just a lungi set, as similar to this. Yeah, dhaka ko cholo and dhaka ko lungi. I wish I bought faria instead. I'm not going anywhere. I was just feeling patriotic. Yeah, that looks really fascinating. Yeah, no? Hi Moshin, do you want to feature my vlog? Sir just went out of the room. Everyone is going out. Where is everyone going out though? Damn! Ayush, what is this? He's Guys, right now we are at Periyar. Right? This is Shankit's hostel. Look at this also, it's so much better and nicer than Goina's. Like, I don't feel like eating egg today. But look at this. It's weird. To buy early. Oh, dream. I'm so tired. Yeah, Nishant is disrupting my practice right now. Happy birthday. Thank you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yangchum. Happy birthday to you.
Bahira. I am that.
No, guys. Today we are at this Bhaiya canteen before, like behind Tapti, and someone from Jindal is experiencing some JNU life right now. How do you feel, Shishtika?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I really like it. I really like Jane vibes.
Yeah, I don't like Jindal. I don't.
I can't eat momo on campus. I can't.
Bro, it's giving so Kalimpong, my god. Done. As a habit, India ko laughing try karna last hai. Let me taste. Ikandaguna has much more better laughing than this.
Controversial. Very controversial. Right in front of the shop.
Keto now.
But you're eating it anyway.
60 rupees bro. Kathmanduमा 40 rupiयाँ पर्छ थाहा छ तिमीलाई नेपाली 40 रुपियाँ. That's like 30 rupees I think. Delhi is overhyped. The food is overhyped. Everything is overhyped.
Is it? I disagree.
It feels like home.
Chutney is also back. Oh my god.
Oh, यो त काठमाडौँमै पाउन छोडिसकेको छ यहाँ पाउँदो रहेछ. Oh my god, I love Mart.